All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. It has been a while since I've done a Reggae Boy video. Well, that's how it feels. But anyways, people, please, guys, remember, smash the like button, and share the content if you feel free to do so. Definitely, I would appreciate it. As you guys know, my aim is 10K. 10K is the aim, people. We're going to speak about Andre Gray. Um, Tremendous performance yesterday, and we can't let that just go unseen like that. Yeah, we have to give Andre Gray his due highlight for what he did. A tremendous goal, people. A tremendous goal. So what I want to do, I want to give a special shout out to my members. Definitely to my members, people. We have D. Linton, AJ Brown, Jermaine Swaby, we have Roland Codner, we have the original Zilla, and Devon Hughes. Massive respect to all of you guys for definitely coming on to the show and joining the journey with me. And definitely, we are going places. I believe so. I believe we are going places. Now, I'm having some serious problem with my StreamYard because of my camera. For some reason, camera is not synchronizing with my audio. I don't know what the problem is. I honestly don't know what the problem is. But definitely I will try and fix it and see how best we can sort that one out. But we're here to discuss football, and let's get straight into that. So guys, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button as well. As you know, as I said, HBO, help a brother out. HBO, help a brother out. You know what? Let me show my face. HBO, help a brother out. Definitely. Definitely, people. All right. So let's get straight into it. So as you know, Andre Gray faced off against Derby County. So it was QPR versus Derby County yesterday. Very entertaining game. Game finished 2-1. No, there's a few things I looked into this game, and I found it quite peculiar, because we can see where Ravel Morrison was playing in a false nine role. Now, putting Ravel Morrison in a false nine role is literally a lot of restriction, but not saying that he didn't handle the position well. Yes, he did. He did handle the position well. You know, Ravel Morrison is a talented player, and wherever he plays, he will give his all. But this time around, it was quite unique, I realized, but I can't say it's a position that you'll utilize Ravel Morrison more often than not. I'm being honest. That's not a position that you'd utilize Ravel Morrison more often than that. And I believe that strongly believe that Wayne Rooney will not do it again. Because you can't have Ravel Morrison having maybe like 10 or 12. Let me see how much touches he had. Let me check. Total of 19 touches. Total of 19 touches. No, you can't have Ravel Morrison only 19 touches. 19 touches in 69 minutes. So, as I said, it's quite a unique situation for Ravel Morrison. Maybe first time being deployed in that position as well. But I highly doubt that we will see him playing in that position again. So, it's not about Ravel Morrison. Let's speak about Andre Gray. But I just want to highlight you guys that Ravel Morrison playing in false nine role, utilizing his knowledge of football and how well he's regarding to his adaptability in playing in any different position. Now, people, a spectacular goal from Andre Gray. Let me go from the front. I don't even think I will be able to find it. Now, this is where the ball come across, and he took it quite nicely on his right foot. He did one keep it up, and then now on the turn of volley, if you look at his left leg right here, it's literally bent. His knee is literally bent in an unorthodox position. You can literally say that maybe he almost injured himself getting off that shot. I just look at his right knee right here. Now, look at the goalkeeper way out. Well, that's where you expect the goalkeeper to be, covering his near post. Andre Gray going to the far post. Look at that. Look at that. That composure. Lovely. The striker's face and the goalkeeper's face like, what is he doing? And then now everyone is looking back and saying, oh my word. And definitely this is a goal that you can say maybe a goal of the year contender already in the championship. I'm quite sure that he might get goal of the week. I'm quite sure. I haven't seen any like it so far. The Derby County goal was a lovely goal as well. The keeper didn't even move, but this Gray goal is magnificent, man. It's magnificent. It's pure class, pure brilliant. No, and let's come to the action that this is a player that we will definitely want, is vowing to come back into the squad, into the Reggae Boy squad for January. What do you guys think about that? This is now the difficult situation. Remember a lot of times we've seen these players play football over and over again. I was like, come on, these guys are not good. And you know, time and time again, we have slated a lot of players, and then now on the club level, it's a total different ball game. Yes, club football is totally different. I 100% agree that club football is totally different from international football. But you can't say that these players don't have that level of technical ability, talent in them. We have seen Ravel Morrison, both at the international and club level. But for some reason, we've seen more of him at club level. We've seen Andre Gray at club level as well. Now, the case now can be drawn on a player such as Bobby Reid, where we see Bobby Reid on the club level, week in, week out, dominating week in, week out. And then as soon as he puts on a Reggae Boy jersey, you definitely have to wonder if it's the same Bobby Reid you just finished watching maybe a week ago or a few days ago for Fulham Football Club. So it's quite strange. It's really, really strange. I'm hoping that all these players find themselves in good goal scoring form. So I'm glad. I'm really, really happy that Andre Gray is back, coming off his injury. Really, really happy for him. I'm coming back with a banger, a beautiful goal, a one that you get a standing ovation for, and even the opposition fans would definitely, fan base definitely applaud you for that, those type of goals, people, without a doubt. So what I want you guys to do, make sure that you go in the comment section, smash the comment section, and rate this goal out of 10. I want you guys to rate this goal out of 10, people. Rate it out of 10. Smash the like button, people, and make sure that you hit the subscribe button. And definitely, Andre Gray back 100%. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, people. Military Guna TV, and I am out.